Hello, this is Amal, and in this video, I will explain to you how you can use one of the features that Signit provides, which is to add a radio button to your document for your signers to choose from multiple options. They can only select one option, and it is added right here under the signer's information in the left sidebar. So by simply dragging and dropping, you can add radio buttons to your document in the place that you need the options to be added to. And by adding the plus sign, you can add as many options as you need for your signers to select from. Bear in mind that the signer can only choose one option out of the options that you provide for them. And this is specifically important if the signer needs to, let's say, answer a yes or no question within the document, or choose, let's say, male versus female options, depending on which document you're sending your signers to sign and complete. Also, you can add another group of options by dragging another radio button field and adding it right here, let's say next to the first group. And as you can see here, it is named group 2. You can add as many options as you need. And this is group 1, in which you can define the settings for this group and the settings for the second group as well.